Need to withdraw your Prizepicks winning to your Chime account? In this quick guide, we'll show you how the exact steps to request a withdrawal and ensure a smooth transaction. So let's get started. Before withdrawing, keep these key rules in mind. You can withdraw funds to any approved bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or debit card previously used for deposits. If you haven't deposited using Chime before, you may need to withdraw to another linked account first. To withdraw money to Chime, follow the steps. Open the Prizepick app and tap the menu icon in the top left corner if using a browser. Then menu is the top right. Select Request Withdrawal. Choose your Chime linked bank account or debit card as the withdrawal method. Enter the withdrawal amount and confirm the request. After submitting your withdrawal request, you will receive an OTP one-time password code via email. Prizepicks will also send a follow-up email to confirm whether your withdrawal was successful. If your withdrawal to Chime is unsuccessful, ensure you have previously deposited with Chime. Double check that your details are correct. Contact Prizepicks support for further assistance. And that's how you can withdraw your Prizepicks winning to Chime. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.